Samsung is getting ready to drop a massive update. People thought they already knew everything about the upcoming Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. But brand new leaks just changed the whole story. This is not going to be a boring yearly update. Samsung is planning one of its biggest smartwatch leaps in a very long time. These changes could set a whole new standard for Android wearables. Before the official event happens, we need to break down every single major change. There are several clear reasons why this might become Samsung's most powerful watch ever made. The screen is the first thing you look at on any watch. Samsung knows this very well. Reports show that the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 will have a much brighter AMOLED panel. Samsung has always been good at making screens easy to read outside. But this time, they are pushing the limits even further. It does not matter if you are walking under bright afternoon sunlight or riding a bike. The screen will look extremely crisp and simple to view. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, this single upgrade makes a huge difference. Under the hood, speed is getting a huge boost. The watch is rumored to use a brand new processor. This chip is built to be both faster and far more efficient. You will notice smoother animations when swiping around. Apps will open right away. Health tracking will log your data without any delays. The whole watch will feel snappy and instant. You might not care about chip specs on paper, but you will definitely feel the speed every single time you tap the screen. Battery life is always a top priority for watch buyers. Samsung understands this daily frustration. The new leaks indicate a massive focus on energy efficiency. The watch works smarter to preserve power. Even if the battery cell itself stays a similar size, better internal optimization means longer battery life in the real world. If you track workouts, monitor sleep, and get daily phone alerts, extra battery life is a massive win. Hardware is only half the battle this year. Samsung is integrating powerful Galaxy AI tools into the wrist experience. The watch will do much more than just echo your phone notifications. It will give you clear health insights. It will build personal fitness plans. It will offer daily tips based on your real habits. Instead of just showing raw numbers, it helps you actually understand what your body is doing. Health tracking is getting its biggest overhaul yet. Samsung invested heavily in medical tech over the last few years. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 benefits directly from that work. Expect much faster heart rate readings. Sleep tracking will give deeper breakdowns. Stress monitoring will be more reliable. Auto workout detection will trigger faster. Samsung updated both the physical sensors and the internal software algorithms. That means less background noise and far more accurate data you can actually trust. Fitness fans have a lot to look forward to here. It does not matter if you run, cycle, swim, or lift weights. The tracking options are becoming far more detailed. The GPS unit is upgraded for pinpoint route mapping. Coaching features will guide you during workouts instead of just counting your reps. The goal here is simple. Samsung wants this device to feel like a personal trainer sitting on your wrist. Durability remains a massive selling point for the Ultra name. Samsung is keeping the tough design philosophy alive. The Watch Ultra 2 uses premium, rugged materials. It is built to survive harsh outdoor environments. You can take it mountain hiking or wear it in heavy rain without worry. Extreme water resistance, dust sealing, and military-grade strength all return. It is built to take a beating and keep working fine. The software layout is getting refined as well. The combination of Wear OS and One UI watch makes overall control feel seamless. Moving between widgets, checking messages, and managing smart home devices will feel light and fast. When paired with a new chip, using the watch feels remarkably close to using a flagship smartphone screen. Galaxy AI is what truly sets this model apart from older generations. It learns your daily schedule over time. It can suggest a rest day after a heavy workout. It can tell you to fix your sleep habits based on weeks of background data. It acts before you even ask it to. On top of that, basic connectivity is getting solid tweaks. Bluetooth range is stronger. Wi-Fi connections are more stable. LTE calls will sound clearer. These simple back-end tweaks make daily usage feel effortless. If you are currently using an older Galaxy Watch, waiting for this launch is a very smart move. The screen, speed, battery, AI tools, and health sensors all combine to create a huge generational leap. Now let's talk about the features that could completely redefine how you use a smartwatch on a daily basis. Samsung is not just adding small software tweaks this time around. They are changing how the watch interacts with your entire digital life. Smart notifications are getting a major upgrade. In the past, smartwatches simply showed you the text or email that arrived on your phone. With the new Galaxy AI integration, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 can analyze incoming messages and draft contextual replies instantly. You do not need to pull out your phone or type on a tiny keyboard. The watch understands the tone of the conversation and offers quick responses that sound like you. Health monitoring goes way beyond basic step counting. Samsung is rumored to be introducing deeper metabolic tracking insights. This means the watch could help you monitor energy expenditure throughout the day with much higher precision. It tracks how your body recovers from daily stress, physical labor, and lack of sleep. By looking at these factors together, it gives you a clear energy score every morning. This helps you decide whether you should push hard in a workout or take a rest day. For sleep tracking, the improvements are huge. Sleep apnea detection and advanced snoring analysis are becoming more refined. The sensors track your breathing patterns and oxygen levels constantly through the night. If the watch notices any irregularities, it alerts you with actionable reports. This is no longer just a fitness tracker. It is becoming a real passive health monitor on your wrist.